In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link or add a bank account in PayPal with a quick and easy tutorial. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with the know-how to efficiently connect your banking details to your PayPal account, enhancing your ability to manage funds seamlessly online. To start, navigate to the PayPal website by entering paypal.com in your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. You'll be directed to a page where you'll need to enter your email address and your password associated with your PayPal account. Carefully type in your credentials to avoid any issues logging in. Once you've ensured everything is correct, click on the Login button to proceed. After successfully logging in, you will find yourself on your PayPal homepage. For those with a business account, you'll need to head over to the Pay and Get Paid section. If you're using a personal account, this step won't be necessary, so just sit tight and continue to our next move, which involves accessing your wallet. The wallet option is conveniently located in the menu at the top of the page. Go ahead and give that a click. This is where you'll manage all your linked payment methods, including bank accounts and cards. Now that you're in the wallet section, find the option for banks and cards and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can manage existing links and add new ones. Look for the option that says link a bank account. Clicking on this will open a new page where you'll fill in your bank account details. First, you'll need to enter the name of your bank. Make sure the name you provide matches with what's on file with your bank to avoid any issues. Next, enter your bank code. The bank code is essential as it identifies your bank uniquely, so make sure you input the correct number. Following this, enter your bank account number. Double check these numbers to ensure they are accurate. Any mistakes here may cause issues with linking your account correctly. With all your banking information entered, proceed to click on Link Your Bank. This step may initiate prompts on your screen depending on your bank. Simply follow any additional prompts or instructions that appear. These can include anything like verifying your account through a code sent to your phone or email. Don't worry if these extra steps pop up, they're security measures to protect your account. Once you've followed through with all the prompts and confirmations, you'll have successfully linked your bank account to PayPal. This integration allows you an easier way to send and receive funds, giving you greater flexibility with managing your money online. Enjoy your newly enhanced PayPal experience.